Hello, my name is Mohammed. I've worked almost 15 years in budget and project control in engineering, procurement, and construction fields. But today, we want to review what I earned during these years to save costs and show you how to approach it. You may wonder why, but I will expand on it later. People are the main cost saving driver, and this is important to understand how to approach your team members. Are you like a micromanager or a trustable leader? Engineering activities. If you make a clear list of deliverable and resource planning for engineering activities first, then focus on tracking the progress, analyzing and forecasting, it will work for you. As this is engineering and design, implementing practical method and reviewing the designed items like eliminating unnecessary items can save more than you think. Not only for cost but also for time. In my opinion, time is a cost. Negotiations during the procurement period. Make a clear picture of your budget and don't be shy to ask for discounts, but write a written letter for your approach. And of course, I saved hundreds of thousands of euros during only the construction phases, but always make trust first by heart, not a fake one to win in a one way, but think about win-win approach. Don't forget to review your list of material, which its name is bills of quantity or bills of material, more than once. Engage your experts and ask them if you can change the material to another type with the same quality, but not for all parts, just for the ones you can. Communication. Do you remember my first point? Make a communication plan with your team and do priorities for the ones that can influence your budget and spare time to engage them in your analysis and forecasts. Like asking and making challenges, which sure is enjoyable for them as well, because you will give them trust and show them their thoughts are vital and valuable. For more advices and more notes, just send us messages. We are always seeking challenges and cooperation.